Hello, my name is Brenda Blindenbaugh, and this is my video on activating my Source Code Success Contest. I want to share how I've learned to activate the 6 hidden drivers using Dawn Clark's 6-step formula for money and success that has helped me send out a new broadcast into the field. My target objective was to increase my database and get more clients, which made me feel so happy that I'd be providing transformational tools to empower more clients on how to release the grief and loss of a loved one and to achieve emotional relief, acceptance, and freedom. Thinking about this would cause me to feel so excited that these tools would teach them not only how to release limiting beliefs and clear painful emotions, it would also teach them how to create what they wanted to materialize in their lives. I feel so grateful that getting more clients would give me the opportunity, money, and resources to explore my skills and abilities so that I'd be in a better position to help others in a bigger way. I've personally used transformational cutting-edge tools to bring about some major changes into my own life. These tools have helped me to heal the heartbreak of a separation, a divorce, and the grief and loss of loved ones and other traumatic events in my life which impacted my health. That's the reason why I'm passionate about helping others who are experiencing what I've gone through. I know that my soul print is to help people to get back on their feet again as quickly as possible by teaching them these same cutting-edge transformational tools that have worked so profoundly for me. Reaching a larger audience would allow me to unlock my passion and my potential to become all that I am. And this is the driving force that propels me to move forward and keeps me on my course. Reaching my target objective would boost my faith in myself by breaking through all prior limitations and obstacles that I had in this area and to manifest this dream that I wanted to create. Helping my clients transcend the challenges they've encountered will bring about dramatic changes in their lives and in the lives of their family. By shifting their vibration for the better, it will have a rippling effect on their community, their nation, and on the planet. So having a positive expectation, knowing that creating financial abundance is possible, knowing that I can succeed, allows room for this to happen because it conditions the field for success. If I didn't set a positive expectation, I would unconsciously be setting myself up for failure, which is what I did for a long time, and that's been one of the reasons I haven't succeeded in the past. I kept a journal, and every day I would jot down what was working for me, and I would keep a lookout for opportunities that came my way. So the first thing I did was to be clear on what I wanted to create, which was to increase my database, sell my coaching package and products to my ideal clients. Focusing on what I want to create collapses the quantum waves into particles. This is how I started the process of creation, by bringing that which was just a thought or an idea into form or matter. These thoughts that I have about what I want to create are quantum waves of probability. And as I focus my attention on what it is that I want to create, they collapse and become particle matter. And here's why I expected to succeed. Every morning before I got out of bed, I would allow gratitude to reverberate throughout my whole being as I would think about how these tools changed my life, from feeling like a victim, feeling hopeless and helpless, to being empowered, filled with hope and confidence, and I rejoiced at all the shifts that I'd experienced in my life. Then I would feel gratitude for all the great opportunities that were continuing to come my way, to help women and children who were experiencing grief and loss. I would remember that I had a purpose that only I could fulfill, and I would be so filled with gratitude and joy for these opportunities to help people, which would unlock my potential to become all of who I am. In my mind's eye, I would imagine my ideal clients implementing the tools which would shift their vibration and bring transformation into their lives. I saw myself giving them great value and supporting them in their journey. It filled me with so much awe to know that they were moving forward and also unlocking their potential. I imagined how this would have a rippling effect in their lives, in the lives of their families, their community, their country, and on the planet. I coupled that with an expectation that I could succeed at this, that money flowed into my life with ease, and to expect miracles and opportunities to show up for me. I would remind myself that the universe had my back covered, that anything was possible, and to expect and receive the best that life had to offer me, and that the universe was conspiring on my behalf so I could succeed in my endeavors. By implementing these 6 drivers, which are focus on what I wanted, coupled with expectation, emotions, words, and thoughts. The next driver was to do with my soul's passion. Why did I want this for myself? Why did I want this for others? And why did I want this for the planet? The last driver is stress, and I was able to eliminate the stress that I would normally feel of not knowing how I could create what I wanted to create. Now, it was easy to see this as already done because I know how the physics of how these 6 drivers operate, and all I did was to implement them on a daily basis. The next step was to keep a lookout for all the signs that the universe was sending me to take me on the next part of my journey. My signpost came through an email to check out a business joint venture giveaway. I seized the opportunity that I was given to take the workshop to learn how to effectively present my offerings for this free giveaway. The support I received from the 2 facilitators who conducted this joint venture workshop was amazing. I also learned so much from the other participants as they shared their challenges and offered their feedback. It was outstanding. We were allowed to offer 3 free gifts and a one-time offer which people could also purchase. I learned how to do an opt-in page, how to write headlines, pick images and music for my audios, write copies for each of my offerings, and much more. The training stretched me to do things that I didn't even think I was capable of doing. After many trials and errors, it all finally came together. I saw firsthand how by using these 6 drivers, an opportunity was provided that would help me build my list substantially and sell my products and services. Everything unfolded in ways that were so miraculous, and it was better than I could have ever imagined it to be. It has helped me move out of my comfort zone and has developed in me the leadership qualities of courage, determination, perseverance, and confidence. I'm so grateful to Dawn Clark for sharing the 6-step formula for money and success in her video series, and for the opportunity to share how I implemented this formula to achieve what it was that I wanted to materialize. These are tools that I will use for life to create anything that I desire. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. For more information, please go to www.wealthyhealers.com. This is Brenda Blindenbaugh, holistic health practitioner and transformational coach, sending you love and blessings.